Hey, what's up everybody? Guzman here for Drip Tees and Stickers, and I know this looks a little sloppy, but I intended it that way because I want to show you guys something. I am super duper excited that I signed up with Stanley Stella. All right, if you guys never heard about it, it's okay. I don't need you guys to know about him. I'm gonna tell you about him. Stanley Stella is a European designer in Europe, a designer out of Europe, and they've got this new quality, this awesome product that is now being released out here in the States to us vendors right now. This other one is a different type of hoodie. I'm thinking about it. This one's got a slim fit. It's not really baggy. This one, super soft on the outside, right? Not as hard shell as this hoodie over here. This one's got a more softer velvety feel to it or something. But the really cool part about this hoodie is that you don't see the pockets, right? There's no pockets in the front like normal. It's like a sleeve. It's hidden. It's a tucked away pocket. Now it's not a deep pocket, but it's definitely, like, I've got small hands, you know, like medium size, whatever, smallish, right? But I can fit my hands in there comfortably and leave them there. Something like, you know, maybe like your keys, but a thick, big, like cell phone, not really gonna fit all the way in there. Got a nice thick weight on the hoodie. Feels, again, premium. All the stitching is totally soft. Now, I will say, this is not baggy. This is fitted. It's not skinny jean style, you know what I mean? But it's definitely gonna fit on you, all right? So I got two hoodies here, and this is the medium type of weighted shirt, and I've also got your regular light weighted shirt that is more like this Gildan, but even that feels different than this. It feels a lot more premium. So I'm gonna have two quality types of shirt. I'm gonna make sure when I put it in the description that this is like your medium and the other one's gonna be your lightweight version. I might actually, because I like this medium weight, I might actually just default to all my graphic tees on this shirt because I know it'll last longer, it'll look better. You can hang out at home or you can hang out on the weekends, you know, going out at night, bowling, to the movies or something like that, and not feel like you're wearing your house shirt or something like that. I really like this quality, so I'm probably gonna make that decision right now. So, Drip Tees and Stickers, stay tuned. Pretty much a lot of my garments are gonna stay Stanley Stella, and that's just a personal preference on mine. I'm not exclusive. I would love to sell these straight out. Can't do that. They told me I gotta put my brand on it. I was like, oh, I can't sell a shirt without putting my brand on it, without putting my tag on it? Too easy. Because I definitely want you guys to spread the word about Drip Tees and Stickers. So comment below, let me know what you think. Let me know if you would like a tagged shirt. I'm gonna make tagged shirts now, shirts with just the letters DTS, Drip Tees and Stickers. I'm Guzman. See you on the next video.